Ipob on the move to stop the spread of COVID-19 across Biafran land. The indigenous people of Biafra, Ipob, has revealed plans to help Biafrans and Igbo people overcome COVID-19. In a statement signed by Group Head of Directorate of State, Mazi Chika Edozie, on Monday, March 20th, 2020, said IPOB will work towards ensuring that the most vulnerable in Biafran land receives necessary health and social assistance and support. This was unveiled officially after the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, promised that the group will give 50 million donation out of 300 million pledge in order to fight COVID-19 in southern and eastern Nigeria. Nnamdi Kanu also said that IPOP will set up food centers across all units to ensure people don't die of hunger while the stay at home continues to curtail the spread of the deadly world disease called COVID-19. Furthermore, the IPOP HDO said, following from its earlier directives on the present health menace, the COVID-19, and cognizant of its primary responsibility to the Biafran people, the leadership of the indigenous people of Biafra wish to announce certain contingency plans to be implemented in Biafran land to confront this world-wide health challenge, provide proper direction to our people, and put mechanisms in place to alleviate as much as is practicable the hardships resulting from this COVID-19 pandemic health challenge. As announced by Onyendu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, during his broadcast of 26th March, IPOP will work towards ensuring that the most vulnerable amongst us in Biafran land receives necessary health and social assistance and support. To this end, hospitals and/or clinics will be designated, prepared, and equipped with very essential medical supplies and equipment for effective combating of COVID-19 cases that may arise. Available statistics show that the most vulnerable and at risk are the aged. These are parents, uncles, aunties, and grandparents, and most especially those among them with any underlying health condition. It is our intention to stave off the occurrence of an unmanageable explosion of this pandemic in our land. To this effect, the Directorate do advise that all non-essential travels should be cancelled. What we witness the world over as it pertains to the COVID-19 virus is very troubling and distressing. It is imperative, therefore, that strict and diligent adherence to medical advice by and from appropriate health personnel, authority, and institutions are adhered to. Personal hygiene and social distancing must form part of our daily usage and habit at this very crucial and trying period. The leadership of the indigenous people of Biafra we put the following measures in place, which on the one hand will afford Biafrans some measure of opportunity for proper medical tests and control of the COVID-19 virus, while on the other hand we provide some basic necessity such as food to our people. Thank you for listening to this news. Viewers, permit me to give kudos to the indigenous people of Biafra, the representatives. I really want to give my kudos to the leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and his deputy, and to all Biafrans that have been in great support since the incidents of this menace. I will say that Biafra is a republic with great love and respect. You can see that these people have not yet been pronounced, but now you can see they are already doing more than a, an already country, an already existing country. You can imagine, okay, what if they are now announced? What then? What then do you expect that they are going to do? They will do more than the already existing country. And this is one of the things that Nigeria as a country is so much afraid of. They are afraid of being overpowered, overtaken. The name Giant of Africa, they are afraid of losing it. So tell me, when will they lose it? When they don't do the needful. What they are expected to do, they don't do it. Look at since the incident of this COVID-19, how many times has Nigerian been able to show their support to the already infected people? Look at other countries. See what they are doing to prevent their citizens from being infected. See the international countries. See the other countries in Africa. See how they are fumigating everywhere. Nigeria as a country cannot even make a move. At least if it is that part of fumigating the whole places. And you know that Nigeria happens to be one of the most populous one of the country that has the highest number of people. You can imagine, if not for the love that God have for us, this virus would have even been more, more witnessed and more seen in Nigeria than other countries. But because of the love that God have for us, that is why the number of infected people are not much here in Nigeria. You can see, look at the country that they are criticizing, calling names, painting them with all kinds of names, calling them all kinds of names. Look at them. They are the one making waves. A word they say that when problem comes, then you will know who is your friend. Now you can see that this that uh, Biafran Republic is a republic that wants to be to that wants to exist. It's a republic that wants to exist. You can imagine. See what see the huge contribution and support they are giving to the Biafrans. Yes, in Nigeria, some persons have given their support, but that is not good enough. It's not good enough. It's not even up to 5%. Yes, the person of Etodola gave his support. Dangote gave his support. You know, some other reputable Nigerians gave their support. Look at the kind of support Obasanjo gave, giving his building as a center for the infected persons. I will say to me that Obasanjo support is not enough. Why can't he give financial support? He's donating a building, a building that will still be collected, a building which he will still collect. He will still collect back from them after once the virus uh, stops. Tell me, tell me. I will say that our leaders are deceitful. They are cheat. You can imagine Obasanjo is giving a building. What's the building going to do? What is it going to do? It will only accommodate the infected. It will only accommodate the infected. Why can't he give financial support as well? Why can't he give financial support as well? I'm just pissed off by the level of the level of this infection, the level